What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yinka and I run a blog called Yours Truly Yinka. So for today's video, I'm sure you guys have heard about SKIMS, which is the shapewear line launched by Kim Kardashian. I decided to just take a look, see what I was personally interested in. Although, I feel like it was very on brand for her to launch SKIMS. I was just really intrigued with the shades and the fact that not only is it shapewear, but she also has like bras and panties and stuff like that. So I decided to order a few pieces and I wanted to share with you guys in case you guys were considering ordering or just to get an idea of like what the darker skin tones actually look like. So the SKIMS line, I believe, comes in 9 different colors, ranging from a beige to a chocolate brown. And I believe this is how my order came. And I haven't opened it yet. I did cut it open just for the ease of the video, but we are in this experience together right now. So this is how my order came, and the packaging comes with like these nude, let me just bring it out. The packaging, everything is wrapped in this nude wrapping paper. I'm not sure if it's a poster. Nope. It just showcases the different nude colors of the shapewear. And I purchased, let me actually get my phone with the receipt. 6 items. I ordered the Solution Short 2 in color Oxide, a scoop neck bra, the triangle bralette, the T-string thong in cocoa, the scoop neck bra in Oxide, and also the triangle bralette in Oxide. So again, like I mentioned earlier, it comes in 9 colors. I'll put that here. And I was debating between the Umber, Oxide, and Cocoa. Onyx is just jet black. So I kind of played between ordering those colors. So I'm gonna show you guys. So the first item is the Solution Short, which I thought was very, creative. And I ordered the color Oxide, but now that I see the other colors, okay, let's just say that the colors aren't consistent for the type of shapewear, and I'll show you what I mean. So this is the Solution Short 2 in Oxide, and this is what it looks like. I don't know how I'm gonna fit in it, but I've read some other reviews and people say it comes looking like tiny like this, but it literally cinches you and holds you. So I'm just really excited to wear this this shapewear where it's high. I'm just excited to wear this like with a high slit skirt, and showcase this. So now you guys will see what I mean. I also ordered the scoop neck bralette, and also in the color Oxide, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what the Oxide looks like in the scoop neck bralette. And as you guys can see, hey, I understand it's like different materials, but this is more of a cocoa than this. But hey, it's underneath your clothes, so no big deal. But I just wanted to get a few bras that didn't have wires and like that were just cozy. I can wear in the house, lay back. So again, this is the Oxide bralette in a small. And then I also got the triangle bralette in a small, and this is the color Oxide. Bam. So this is the triangle, and then this is the scoop neck, and these are both Oxide. And then I also decided to order pretty much the same thing, just different color, because sometimes you want a different shade of nude. You don't want just black, you don't want just beige, you want a true nude. So this is the color Cocoa. So now that I see this, I kind of wish I ordered the Solution Short in Cocoa, but whatever, it's going underneath my clothes. So this is Cocoa. And then this is also the scoop neck bralette in cocoa as well. And I just think it's really nice to actually have a true nude. So, and then the last thing I ordered, just because, is a T-string. I like the marketing in that. T-string, not G-string. Just like a nude, right? It's just T-string, it's invisible, it's really, really soft. I will say, you know, the fabrics are really, really buttery smooth, just like it says on the site. So, yeah, this is my SKIMS collection that I decided to order, and the price points are actually very reasonable. The bras were about 18 bucks each, and everything was about 180 for all the items. So we'll see how it holds up, we'll see how it wears. And yeah, that is pretty much my unboxing with you guys today, and I'll give you guys an update, you know, through my fashion and style videos about like the support and how it wears and things of that nature. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys wear shapewear? Did you guys even order, you know, the collection from SKIMS? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.